Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Today I wanted to show you guys this really cute bathroom I made before I started my YouTube channel. The bathtub is an actual Barbie bathtub, and I took a popsicle stick and made a little bath tray. The little toilet I got from the Dollar Tree, and it's the perfect size for Barbies. The trash can is made out of a little plastic bottle, and I used cornstarch and paint to give it a little texture. The toilet paper holder is made out of a little metal brad. I just bended the ends into the shape I wanted. I made the sink vanity out of a tissue box. I just cut holes for the sinks and glued doors on. My mom came up with the idea to use mason jar lids for the mirror. The sink faucet I made out of some bendy metal, and then the base plate is clay, and the handles are little silver necklace closures that I cut the end off of. I made some miniature cotton balls and some bath salt for the little bottles. I made a little step stool out of popsicle sticks for the younger Barbies. The towel rod was made out of some picture hardware that I had. This cute little shelf, the black framing is made out of black coffee stirrers, plastic ones, and then I put wood in between. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.